Question number 1. Which river is associated with the origin of the Indus Valley civilization? Option A, Indus River. B, Yamuna River. C, Ganga River. D, Brahmaputra River. Answer is option A, Indus River. Question number 2. Which emperor is known for spreading Buddhism across Asia? Option A, Chandragupta Maurya. B, Ashoka. C, Harsha. D, Samudragupta. Answer is option B, Ashoka. Question number 3. The Treaty of Allahabad was signed in which year? Option A, 1757. B, 1774. C, 1765. D, 1775. Answer is option C, 1765. Question number 4. The Fourth Buddhist Council was conducted during the tenure of which king? Option A, Ashoka the Great. B, Harshvardhan. C, Bindusara. D, King Kanishk. Answer is option D, King Kanishk. Question number 5. The famous ancient Indian University of Nalanda was destroyed by whom? Option A, Mahmud of Ghazni. B, Bakhtiyar Khilji. C, Muhammad Ghori. D, Timur. Answer is option B, Bakhtiyar Khilji. Question number 6. The Vedas were composed in which language? Option A, Sanskrit. B, Prakrit. C, Tamil. D, Pali. Answer is option A, Sanskrit. Question number 7. The Mauryan Empire reached its greatest territorial extent under which ruler? Option A, Chandragupta Maurya. B, Bindusara. C, Ashoka the Great. D, King Kanishk. Answer is option C, Ashoka the Great. Question number 8. Who among the following was a great Sanskrit poet and playwright in the Gupta period? Option A, Aryabhat. B, Chanakya. C, Patanjali. D, Kalidas. Answer is option D, Kalidas. Question number 9. The Gupta period is often referred to as the Golden Age of India because of advancement in which of the following areas? Option A, Science and Mathematics. B, Art and Literature. C, Political Stability. D, all of the above. Answer is option D, all of the above. Question number 10. Which dynasty ruled Delhi before the establishment of the Delhi Sultanate? Option A, Maurya dynasty. B, Gupta dynasty. C, Tomar dynasty. D, Rajput dynasty. Answer is option C, Tomar dynasty. Question number 11. The famous Qutub Minar was built by which ruler? Option A, Qutubuddin Aibak. B, Iltutmish. C, Alauddin Khilji. D, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Answer is option A, Qutubuddin Aibak. Question number 12. Which Sultan introduced the market control system in Delhi? Option A, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. B, Sikandar Lodi. C, Alauddin Khilji. D, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. Answer is option C, Alauddin Khilji. Question number 13. Who founded the Tughlaq dynasty? Option A, Muhammad bin Tughlaq. B, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. C, Firoz Shah Tughlaq. D, Nasir Uddin Mahmud Shah. Answer is option B, Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq. Question number 14. Which of the following periods marks the start of the worship of idols in India? Option A, Kushan period. B, pre-Aryan period. C, Mauryan period. D, Gupta period. Answer is option D, Gupta period. Question number 15. What is the name of the process used in the manufacture of Harappan seals? Option A, cutting. B, casting. C, pinching. D, molding. Answer is option A, cutting. Question number 16. Who among the following was the real founder of the Aligarh Muslim University? Option A, Nawab Salimullah. B, Sayyid Ahmad Khan. C, Abdul Kalam Azad. D, Muhammad Ali Jinnah. Answer is option B, Sayyid Ahmad Khan. Question number 17. Which movement did Mahatma Gandhi launch in 1930 to protest against the salt tax? Option A, Non-Cooperation Movement. B, Quit India Movement. C, Civil Disobedience Movement. D, Dandi March. Answer is option D, Dandi March. Question number 18. Which ruler is known for his policy of religious tolerance and the promotion of Buddhism? Option A, Ashoka the Great. B, Akbar the Great. C, Chandragupta Maurya. D, Harshvardhan. Answer is option A, Ashoka the Great. Question number 19. Which movement aimed at promoting Swadeshi goods and boycotting British products? Option A, Non-Cooperation Movement. B, Civil Disobedience Movement. C, Swadeshi Movement. D, Khilafat Movement. Answer is option C, Swadeshi Movement. Question number 20. Aryabhatta was a renowned scholar in which field? Option A, literature. B, astronomy and mathematics. C, architecture. D, medicine. Answer is option B, astronomy and mathematics. Question number 21. The Salt March was a significant event during which movement? Option A, non-cooperation movement. B, civil disobedience movement. C, Swadeshi movement. D, Quit India movement. Answer is option B, civil disobedience movement. Question number 22. Who was the first Muslim invader in India? Option A, Muhammad Ghori. B, Kutubuddin Aibak. C, Bakhtiyar Khilji. D, Muhammad bin Qasim. Answer is option D, Muhammad bin Qasim. Question number 23. Who was the first Muslim to study Hindu Purans? Option A, Abul Fazl. B, Al-Biruni. C, Amir Khusro. D, Mir Qasim. Answer is option B, Al-Biruni. Question number 24. Which ruler attacked India 17 times? Option A, Muhammad Ghori. B, Mahmud of Ghazni. C, Babur. D, Alauddin Khilji. Answer is option B, Mahmud of Ghazni. Question number 25. Which ruler from Central Asia took control of North India in 1192? Option A, Alauddin Khilji. B, Mahmud Ghazni. C, Muhammad Ghori. D, Mahmud bin Suri. Answer is option C, Muhammad Ghori.